Hello friends, welcome to SSP Math. Today we are going to start new topic, that is Cayley-Hamilton theorem. So what is the use of Cayley-Hamilton theorem? With the help of Cayley-Hamilton theorem we can find inverse of matrix. Also we can find power of matrix. Okay. So what is the statement of this Cayley-Hamilton theorem? Cayley states that every square matrix satisfies its own characteristics polynomial. So what is the meaning of this sentence? Every square matrix satisfies its own characteristics polynomial means, suppose characteristics polynomial of given matrix is lambda cube plus 2 lambda minus lambda equal to 0. Okay, and this is the CH polynomial of one matrix A. Say Cayley says that every square matrix satisfies this characteristics polynomial means, जैसे हम क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के रूट फाइंड करते हैं और सपोज x प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 1, दिस इज लीनियर इक्वेशन है, एंड x माइनस वाई इक्वल टू 2. इफ यू सॉल्व दिस बाय टेकिंग एडिशन एंड सब्सट्रैक्शन देन विल गेट द वैल्यूज ऑफ x एंड y. तो वो x एंड y यहाँ पर पुट किया तो क्या होता है, इक्वेशन सेटिस्फाई होते हैं मीन्स हम वहाँ पर पुट करके उसको, फॉर एग्जाम्पल here if you get suppose x equal to 0 y equal to 1 then 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 means equation is satisfied. Same using Cayley-Hamilton theorem, Cayley says that every square matrix satisfies its own characteristics polynomial. Suppose this is the characteristics polynomial of matrix A. So by using Cayley-Hamilton theorem, if you put lambda equal to A then this equation is satisfied, means that equation is a cube plus 2a माइनस ए, इसकी वैल्यू क्या आएगी 0 विद द हेल्प ऑफ Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Okay, so we will take one problem on Cayley-Hamilton theorem here. First problem is verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem for the matrix A equal to 1 1 2 9 2 0 5 0 3 and hence find A inverse and A to the power 4. So first we have to verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Now what is Cayley-Hamilton theorem? Cayley says that every square matrix satisfies its own characteristics polynomial. So for verification of this statement, first we have to find characteristics polynomial of this matrix. And how we find characteristics polynomial of given matrix? For that first we have to consider determinant of A minus lambda equal to 0. Okay, and if we take determinant of A minus lambda equal to 0, how we expand this determinant using this formula, that is lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus determinant of A equal to 0, where s1 is equal to sum of diagonal elements, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6, s2 is equal to sum of minors of diagonal elements of A. Okay, so here first diagonal element is 1, its minor is 2 0 0 3 means this one. Second diagonal element is 2, its minor is 1 2 5 3, and third diagonal element is 3, its minor is 1 1 9 2. So if we expand this, then 3 into 2 is 6, here 3 into 1 is 1 minus 5 into 10. So 3 minus 1, that is 3 minus 10 is minus 7, and here 2 minus 9 also minus 7. So after simplification we get s2 is equal to minus 8. Then if you find determinant of this matrix, then value of the determinant is minus 41. Okay, so put s1 s2 and determinant here, then we will get characteristics polynomial of given matrix, that is lambda cube minus 6 lambda square minus 8 lambda plus 41 equal to 0. So this is the characteristics polynomial of given matrix. Now with the help of Cayley-Hamilton theorem, Cayley says that every square matrix satisfies its own characteristics polynomial. Now if we apply the statement of Cayley-Hamilton theorem here, then we have to put lambda equal to A. यहाँ lambda equal to A पुट करने के बाद जो हमें इक्वेशन मिलेगा वो इक्वेशन क्या आएगा, this equation, means with the help of Cayley-Hamilton theorem, in that equation if you put lambda equal to A, because lambda, Cayley says that matrix A satisfies its own characteristics polynomial, means replace lambda by A satisfy this. We have to check this equation satisfy होता है या nahi. Okay, so a cube minus 6a square minus 8a plus 41a, so we can't add 41 here because this is matrix addition or matrix subtraction is we have to take I, means I is identity matrix here, so 41I. Now if we take LHS here, for LHS a cube minus 6a square minus 8a plus 41I. So for LHS what we want a cube then a square. Okay, so how we find a square? For a cube we want a square first. So how we find a square? A square can be written as a into a, and a matrix is this. Okay, takes multiplication with itself, then we will get this matrix, that is this is the value of a square. Then a cube can be written as a square into a. Now a square is this, put here, and a is this matrix. If we take multiplication of these two matrices, then we get a cube, and after getting a cube, take LHS here and put all values. So a cube means this, minus 6 into a square means this, put here, minus 8 into a is given matrix, plus 41 into I is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So if we multiply this 6 8 41 inside, and if we take addition or subtraction of all matrices, after simplification we will get here 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So this is equal to 0 equal to RHS. Hence from this we can say that theorem is verified. Okay, now additional question is find inverse of matrix. So how to find a inverse of matrix? For that, this is our, so for inverse of matrix we have to use equation 1 here, this equation 1. If we multiply equation 1 throughout by a inverse, then from that we can find inverse of matrix. If we multiply 1 by a inverse, then we will get this equation, this one, this equation, because a cube into a inverse is a square, then a square into a inverse is a, and a into a inverse is I, plus 41 a inverse is equal to 0. Okay, what we want inverse of matrix. So keep this 41 a inverse as it is and write down remaining terms in another side. So if you write remaining terms in RHS, then this plus a square becomes minus a square, plus minus 6i becomes plus 6a, and minus 81 becomes plus 81, and divide this 41, then that is 1 by 41 into this. Now we know a square matrix, put here, then a matrix, then I matrix, and if we take addition, then this is the inverse of given matrix. So with the help of Cayley-Hamilton theorem we can find inverse of matrix also. Sometimes question may be there, find a to the power 4. Now how we find a to the power 4? For that, here यूजिंग केले हैमिल्टन थ्योरम, जो इक्वेशन 1 आया है हमारा ये इन टर्म्स ऑफ ए क्यूब माइनस 6 ए स्क्वायर माइनस 8 ए प्लस 41 आई इक्वल टू 0. इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई दिस इक्वेशन बाय ए, then a cube into a is a raised to 4. So okay, so if you multiply equation 1 by a for a raised to 4, then we will get this equation. Which one? This equation, that is a raised to 4 minus 6 a cube minus 8 a square plus 41 a equal to 0. And what we want a raised to 4. So how we write a raised to 4? So a raised to 4 is equal to, write remaining terms in RHS, 6 a cube, then this minus become plus here 8 a square minus 41 a. Okay, then put here a cube, a square, and a matrix. After simplification we will get a to the power 4. So this is the first problem of Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Now sometimes क्वेश्चन ऐसा होता है केले हैमिल्टन थ्योरम पे. देखो यहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम क्या है, यूजिंग केले हैमिल्टन थ्योरम फाइंड द सिंप्लीफाइड मैट्रिक्स ऑफ द एक्सप्रेशन. देखो बहुत बड़ा मैट्रिक्स दिखाई दे रहा है हमें. यूजिंग केले हैमिल्टन थ्योरम फाइंड द simplified matrix of the expression a to the power 8 minus 5 a to the power 7 plus 7 a raised to 6 minus 3 a raised to 5 plus a raised to 4 minus 5a cube plus 8a square minus 2a plus I, and where a equal to 2 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 and 1 1 2. So how we solve such type of problems, how we find simplification of this matrix? For that, first we have to find characteristics polynomial of given matrix. And for characteristics polynomial, procedure is same. Consider determinant of a minus lambda equal to 0. Find s1, s2, S1 is sum of diagonal, that is 2 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 5. S2 is sum of minus of diagonal elements, that is 7. And if you find determinant of this matrix, determinant is 3 here. After getting S1, S2 and determinant, put all values in this formula. Then we will get characteristics polynomial of given matrix is lambda cube minus 5 lambda square plus 7 lambda minus 3 equal to 0. Now apply here statement of Cayley-Hamilton theorem. By Cayley-Hamilton theorem, we can say that matrix A satisfies its own characteristics polynomial. Okay, so matrix A satisfies this equation, means put lambda equal to A, then we will get this, that is a cube minus 5a square plus 7a minus 3 equal to 0. ओके, अब हमें क्या करना है, हमें ये मैट्रिक्स फाइंड करनी है. तो उसके लिए ये जो CH पॉलिनोमियल से जो मैट्रिक्स आया है, ये इक्वेशन, इसने इसको डिवाइड करो, मीन्स दिस अपॉन दिस. एंड इफ यू डिवाइड यूजिंग एक्चुअल डिवीजन, देखो यहाँ पर a to the power 8a and here a cube is, so we have to multiply this polynomial by a to the power 5 and a to the power 5 ने मल्टीप्लाई किया तो यहाँ पर लिखेंगे हम. ओके, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके जो भी पॉलिनोमियल मिलेगा a to the power 5 ने मल्टीप्लाई किया तो a raised to 8 minus 5 a raised to 7 plus 7 a raised to 6 minus 3 a raised to 5 यहाँ पर आएगा right here. And take subtraction of this. If we take subtraction, then remaining terms are this. This is the remainder. In remainder again, first term is a raised to 4 and here a cube is, so we want a raised to 4. So multiply this by a and add here, that is plus a. इसको a ने मल्टीप्लाई करके जो भी आएगा वो यहाँ पर लिखो. ये दोनों की सब्सट्रैक्शन की तो रिमाइंडर ये मिलेगी हमें a स्क्वायर प्लस a प्लस I. Then use formula dividend is equal to divide into quotient plus remainder. So this is the dividend is equal to divide. Divide क्या है, this one, that is a cube minus 5a square plus 7a minus 3 into quotient. Quotient is a to the power 5 plus a and plus remainder. Remainder is a square plus a plus I. But what is the value of this polynomial, a cube minus 5a square plus 7a minus 3? इसकी वैल्यू क्या है, 0 है. यहाँ पर देखो 0 दिया है. So if you put here, then we will get this first term totally 0. ये फर्स्ट टर्म 0 हो गई तो ये क्या रहेगा आफ्टर सिंप्लीफिकेशन, यहाँ पर मिलेगा हमें सिर्फ a स्क्वायर प्लस a प्लस I. एंड वी नो द वैल्यू ऑफ a स्क्वायर इज दिस, a इज दिस एंड I इज दिस. इफ यू टेक एडिशन देन वी विल गेट आंसर दिस. देखो ये कितना बड़ा मैट्रिक्स था, इसका आंसर आ गया 855030558. Okay, so these are the some problems for practice. You try at home. Thank you. In next video we will start quadratic form. Thank you.